Okay, so in this video we're going to discuss the strike adjustments on an entry door. Okay, and these are the hook keeps. We have the latch here and another hook keep at the bottom. On a tall door you may have 3 hook keeps and maybe an additional one at the top. So here we have a hook keep strike. On a tall door we may have an additional one at the top. So there could be a total of 3. But on most doors there's only 2. And these are adjustable in and out. Okay, the strike here is also adjustable. And the method of adjusting that strike, they will come from the factory fully out. Okay, but you can also move these in and out, and you will after the installation. You'll tweak these. See, I loosened those 2 screws and now this thing can float. And there's small indexing marks so you can keep track of your adjustments. Okay, and whenever you figure out where you need to be and how you do that is you make it the adjustment, close the door, make sure it's the way you want it. Maybe it's too loose, the door kind of bounces when you close it, and you want to tighten it, so you'd move this back towards the exterior a little bit. So when the latch comes in there and hits that, it's more solid. You might like your door a little bit looser. And this is going to affect how your handle operates as well. Okay, the looser it is, the easier the handle will operate. Okay, so you have to play with that, what you like. And this is adjustable over time. And that's the beautiful thing about this is you don't have to try to move all these screws here and make new holes. You simply move your strike component, and the same up here. Okay, so we make sure those are tightened down so it's fixated. And then the same here, we actually have 4 screws. We'll loosen these wood screws here, and then we have 2 machine screws. And now this becomes movable. Okay, and again, from the factory, these are always supplied outward. Reason for that being is it just makes it easier for us to install it, because these frames may be twisted a little bit. They're not installed, so this just loosens things up for us. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll tighten those down. And again, you'll want to, in order to find the sweet spot, you do one of these at a time. You'll work on the top one or the bottom one, shut the door, and you'll actually run the cylinder. Your cylinder here, you're going to use this and you're going to turn it and bring those hooks out like you're locking the door. Okay, and you're going to find the sweet spot for those. You'll notice when it's at the right position, the cylinder is running smoothly. It's not hanging up anywhere. And you'll also notice, especially at the top, if there's a little bit of warp, you'll see the sash actually push in. It will pull the sash in, which will compress the gaskets. And you want that just a little bit. Okay, and again, these are adjustable over time as these hooks wear from use. These can be tightened by pushing them to the exterior. Okay, so same process with the bottom, and you'll notice there's no adjustment on the deadbolt. Now this is an AAW brand. It's an Italian lock and strikes. Your door may also be supplied with a lock from KFV, which is a German company. The adjustments will be similar, maybe a little bit different, okay? But there's also adjustment. The procedure is in your maintenance and installation manual. You can always reference that, okay? Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, check out our YouTube page for any other technical videos. We may be able to already answer some of your questions on some of those videos. So thank you.